Updating your payout destination on Netflix is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you have access to the account you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find payment information. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Membership and Billing. Here, you will find options related to your payment methods and payout destinations. Step 4. Update payout destination. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save button to apply the changes to your account. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Netflix. Make sure to check your account periodically to keep your payment information up to date.